In this video, I will be teaching you how to automate Jira ticket creation. So basically, this is a complete guide. I'm going to be discussing that with you. So first, once you are on your Jira platform, you are going to be simply heading over to your system and automations. Once you're on your automations, you are going to be accessing the automation using the shortcuts, and you can also press G onto your keyboard. Once you do that, add your details in here and make sure to select your triggers. So we are going to be scheduling our triggers in here, as you can see. Now once we add the triggers, let's just say it is going to be triggering on the scheduled timing, we need to simply create work item. Once we do that, it is going to be creating the issues, and all of these fields are going to be supposed to be filled according to your project. Like for example, you have same project, issue type, and your summary. And yeah, so once you do that, it is almost going to be happening and the automation is going to be done. Make sure to click on save once you add your component in the final section, and you can send the email as well. So basically that is it, and I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.